In today's wireless world, we are connected to almost everything. Technology has enhanced the quality of life with virtually everything we do.
Alexa, play Amos Lee in the kitchen.
Shuffling songs by Amos Lee on Kitchen.
At Unify, we're designing and now connecting modern technology in the one place where connection matters the most: home. What we do is simple. We've taken home automation to new heights by partnering with top technology brands to create a state-of-the-art smart home experience that is designed to connect you to the ones you love. We custom design, install, and integrate leading smart home products and technology into an affordable, unified smart home system that not only helps make life better by the pool, but also dramatically enhances the overall quality of life in every corner of your home. Our networking technology provides whole home Wi-Fi solutions which are designed to deliver blazing fast speeds and tuned for optimal Wi-Fi performance throughout your entire home. With a Unify smart home, we'll help you reinforce structure and habits in your home by customizing automated routines that fit your family to a T.
Alexa, let's cook.
Sounds great. Let's get cooking.
Communicating with a voice attendant like Siri, Alexa, or Google is something everyone has become accustomed to. But when the kids come to the table and the lights automatically dim to just the right setting and the temperature is the same every time, it just makes for a much more enjoyable experience. After dinner, if you'd like to watch a movie with your family,
Alexa, movie time.
The mood can be set with a simple verbal command.
Awesome. Go get the kids. I will set the mood.
Yay, movie time! What are we gonna watch?
A Unify smart home not only provides luxury, convenience, and custom environments, it also provides security features that are always on and proactively protecting your family by monitoring, recording, and reporting activity outside your home.
Someone's at the front door.
Hey Google, show me the front door.
Sure, streaming the front door on Family Room.
Come on in.
Our systems include cameras, audio and motion sensors, garage door controls, and door locks that seamlessly work together to monitor and record movement and activity that notifies you of an intruder before it's too late. A Unify smart home also helps you save money while positively impacting the planet. We'll install a system where the lights automatically turn on when you need them to, or turn off when rooms are not occupied. Luxury and convenience that was once reserved for the affluent is now available to everyone and becoming an integral part of our everyday lives. At Unify, we believe a true smart home connects more than just devices. It connects family. Let us help you make your dream home a reality today.